telling you, the excitement that I've been feeling the past, like since he got the car, is literally because when I first met him, he was talking about getting an R8, a GT3. Okay, I guess his brakes locked up.
That was not mine.
Yeah, but that old car back there. So every time we drive on this road, we're next to an old hoopty or something.
This road is like Frogger, man. You gotta be careful.
So we were talking about an R8, Huracan, GT3, or LP Gallardo, and you've almost bought a few times.
Mm-hmm.
I tried to sell him a GT3, and I didn't want to sell you it because I wanted you to get something like this.
It's worth the wait.
Yeah, and you had a GT3 order, and then he did this. And that's probably what, a quarter maybe?
Maybe.
Oh my gosh, that's like faster than my car at a quarter throttle. How much horsepower does this have?
They claim, I think Sheepey claims 8 something. So I would say, in the 8 somewhere in there. It's about 7 pounds of boost.
Is it to the wheels?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never had it tuned. I mean, I've never had it dynoed, but it's 2 twin precision. I think it's 60. I think there's 64, 66s.
Oh my gosh, man, it's that.
Yeah, they spool up really quick.
Ooh, I'm so happy to be in this freaking.
That's like quarter. I mean, if I just go ahead and put it, in regular mode, I mean, you can just drive this thing around town.
Yeah, that's what I like about the R8s.
I like personally paddle shifting just because of the downshifts and pops and crackles. And you can kind of pull gears a little longer. The automatic shifts real fast.
So what I like about the R8s is it's not too, when you're sitting in it, it doesn't feel too aggressive, as in the ergonomics on it, stuff like the door and the way it kind of goes up to the windshield. It's not like, man, I feel like I'm in something that's like pointing at the ground. Like the Huracans, the windshield is like a very, I don't know how to explain it. Like if Jessie was getting in it and she was like, oh, this is so extremely different from anything. Like if she got in it in this, my car, you can't see anything out of it. It's a little aggressive. So she'd be like, this is a little bit easier to get used to.
They did a good job. There's not very many blind spots in this car. I can see it's an Audi at the end of the day.
Well, so's the Huracan.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
It just drives so well.
Insane.
I mean, it's fast, but it's not like wicked, like all over the place. It's just linear, nice.
It's not like muscle car, like twin turbo muscle car fast.
It's different.
Yeah, it's German built fast.
It's refined.
Really good. There you go, exactly.
Where like the Cobra, man, that car's a shitload of fun. But it's just raw and
it's a handful. That damn thing is a handful.
Probably not. You're a douchebag in a supercar. So you gotta shift, paddle up, yep.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I'm telling you.
It's just like not even like the width of my thumb. I'm just like barely touching it.
It just wants to go.
I gotta get one. I don't know. I gotta do something. I'm gonna start playing a lottery or something. Like this is, I can't even thank you enough, man. Holy crap.
Hell yeah, man. Why have it if you can't share it, right?
Yeah. It's worth a ticket today, baby.
Hit it. We'll see. See how you feel.